Hello, word fans. It's Alex here, and welcome back to another episode where we unpack the wonderful world of words. Today's word is backing, a C1 level noun that means support or help. So, what exactly is backing? Well, it's that feeling of having someone or something on your side, providing aid or encouragement. We might use backing when we're talking about a project or a person in need. Let's explore some similar words. Synonyms include support, for example. The project received significant support from the community. Also assistance, like she provided invaluable assistance with my application, and aid, such as the charity provided financial aid to those in need. Now, let's look at opposites. Antonyms for backing include opposition, as in there was strong opposition to the new policy, and hindrance, like his lack of experience was a hindrance to the project's progress, and also obstruction, such as the fallen tree caused an obstruction in the road. In everyday life, you might hear someone say, "I have the full backing of my team," meaning they have the team's support. Other common uses include things like, the band needs more financial backing, or he showed his backing by donating to the cause. So we use backing to mean the support provided by a person or institution. Example sentences include, she needed backing from her family before making her decision, and the plan had the full backing of the government. Also, the campaign gained backing from several celebrities. And in phrases, strong backing, moral backing, or financial backing. That wraps up our look at backing for today. Remember, it signifies support or help. Thank you for joining me, dear listeners. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our podcast. Don't forget, create your own sentence using backing and share it as a comment under the video.